Hey guys, how are you guys doing? In this particular video, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to ventilate this particular full lace, okay, from how I started and how I ended the ventilation process. This, when you follow the pattern I'm going to show you in this video, you can use the lace to make any kind of braids, be it cornrow, be it pulse braid, be it triangular braid, like anything you want to do. You can basically part it anyhow. Can you see how this full lace is looking so natural? Easy to part? Is it a V curve that you want to do? Is it C curve? Anything at all. So if you want to get something like this, then endeavor to follow me to the end of this video so you get to see how I was able to customize this from A to Z. Always remember that you're free to drop your questions. If you have any questions at any point, you are free to drop it in the comments section. Okay, I'll attend to them. So my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are yet to subscribe, please do so. So this is where we are the last time. Remember, I've uploaded from episode 1 to 3 of this video. Okay, I've uploaded from the start, and this is basically the last part of this video where I'm going to show you guys how I was able to ventilate the hairline, which is the front section of the full lace. Not just the front section, okay, the hairline. What I mean by hairline, it just the natural hairline we try to create in a full lace, just to mimic the our forehead. Okay, the way our forehead is, how curvy, how the hairline of our forehead is, that's what we are trying to recreate here. So this is what you should do once you get to this point. I remember by now you should know that once you get to this point, half an inch to where your hairline is, you should be picking just one strand of hair. Okay, do not pick more than one. So just follow through the hairline. When you vent and get to the hairline, you vent according to how the hairline is. If it's curvy, then you have to follow it up like that. Okay, stop where the line is. If your own full lace didn't come with already marked hairline, you can as well do the marking yourself. Place it on your head and use a pencil to just trace the way your forehead is. Okay, just trace it on the lace. Okay, if I've already uploaded a video on how you can trace your hairline on a lace. For instance, if your full lace doesn't come with already marked hairline, okay, but if you want me to make an updated video on how to do that, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, remember that our forehead is not straight. Okay, just look yourself in the mirror, through the mirror, you see that your forehead is not straight, instead it's kind of curvy. So that's what we are trying to recreate here. Remember I said do not pick more than one. Half an inch to where your hairline is, you should start picking just one strand of hair. All right, so follow through the hairline. Is very easy. It's very easy. You can see how my own is curving. Okay, because I'm following through the line, I am not passing through the line. So this is what you should do. Guys, remember, this is not the first and this is not the second and this is not the third part of this video. I've already uploaded the first, second, third part of this video. So this is the final, okay, the final part, okay, where we are going to be getting the final result. Okay, if you don't know how I started, how I did the back, how I did the center, then how I started the front, please check the videos before this one. Okay, check the episode 1, 2 to 3 of this video so you understand exactly how we got here. So guys, if you followed me to this point and you are yet to like this video, please consider doing that. Give this video a like, okay, and please help me to distribute this video by sharing it. Okay, if you have any question, endeavor to let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely answer all your questions. So basically what I'm doing here is just working on my hairline. Okay, we're actually getting to the end of this full lace making. All right, just follow through the hairline. Let me make use of a pencil to retrace the line so that you guys can see exactly what I mean by a hairline. A hairline is just the line on our forehead which we are trying to recreate on a lace. Okay, that's simply what a hairline is. And in this episode, okay, in this part of this video, I'm trying to show you guys how best to ventilate your hairline so that it will look so natural. You guys can see the final product I showed you guys earlier. It's looking very natural. Okay, so you follow exactly what I taught you guys in this video right from the episode 1 to this point. Definitely you will get not just the same result, you get a better result. All right, I hope you guys still recall the pattern we're making use of to vent this full lace. This pattern is the diagonal. You can call it diagonal, you can call it slash pattern, you can call it slanted pattern of hair ventilation. That's what we use. When you make use of this particular pattern, what it means is that you can use that particular lace, either closure or any size of closure, a frontal or full lace. You can use it to make any kind of braids at all. And this is it when I am done with the whole thing. You see how the inside is. Okay, see how the inside is, and the back everywhere the hook side is properly covered. Like I say guys, you can use this lace for any kind of braid. Is it all back cornrow that you want to make? You can use it for that. Is it boss braid? Is it knotless braided wig that you want to do? You can basically use it for anything. You see how wherever you part is looking very natural. There's nothing like a straight line or whatever due to the pattern we make use of to vent this full lace. Okay, it's very natural. When I mean natural, very natural. I hope you guys was able to follow me from the start point now till this point. Okay, if you don't know, like I said earlier, if you don't know how we got to this point, please check number 1 episode 1 to 3 of this video so you will get to understand how I started and how I ended up to this point. You see the hairline, this is what happens when you follow, do the right thing. Okay, if you practice exactly what I showed you guys in this video, you will get a very beautiful and natural full lace. Okay, just like this is very natural. You can't compare it with anything. It's looking natural, it's giving what it should give. Okay, and you can see how tiny the knots are. See how tiny the knots are. That's why in as much as I zoom the video, but it's still looking so tiny because I picked just one and my strands are very tiny. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload. Please do not forget to like, do not follow to join me by following, subscribing, and see you guys in my next upload. Bye.